Today's collision repair shops need to be prepared with pre- and post-scan equipment to evaluate and repair collision damage, seen and unseen. Even when there's no obvious visual damage, electronics and system operation can still be impacted. DriveCrash is designed to deliver complete scans and comprehensive remote services to support collision shops, with a focus on repairing modern, intelligent vehicle electronics. OE-Scan provides a complete vehicle report using OE-approved software to detect system faults and identify needed repairs. Faults are identified in pass-fail format along with detailed fault code information. Once the repair is complete, a post-scan confirms all systems are fault-free and the vehicle is ready to be turned over to the customer. Covered by insurance companies in most cases. QuickScan is a fast and easy option for use by your team during the estimating phase and repair process to read and clear DTCs on demand. This provides your service writers and technicians a fast and easy way to quickly identify, record, and clear DTCs during any phase of the collision repair process. Remote Assisted Program (RAP) allows for remote module programming of replacement airbag and body modules and more for most OEMs, and engine control modules for all OEMs. DriveProScan is an optional professional-level diagnostic software for your technicians when a system needs testing or a fault requires deeper diagnosis, including reading, clearing DTCs, live data stream, system functional tests, coding, and ADAS calibrations. IVS Live. For more challenging repairs, your technician can have access to industry-leading technical support from over 100 certified master technicians in 3 U.S. call centers. Get help performing electrical tests, understanding system function, navigating repair information, or performing remote ADAS calibrations. When it comes to determining damage caused by collision, you can never be too thorough. For accuracy, efficiency, and peace of mind, DriveCrash is the most trusted solution for collision shops.